In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use Oyster for international compliance, helping you simplify managing your global workforce with ease. If you're new to Oyster, it's a game changer for companies that need to stay compliant with various international regulations while hiring across borders. Whether you're handling payroll, taxes, or benefits, Oyster has you covered. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use Oyster effectively, but also learn how to access an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses that will help you get started at no cost. Oyster's primary goal is to streamline international compliance so you can hire globally without worrying about the complexity of local labor laws. The platform automatically handles compliance for the countries you want to hire in, ensuring you're fully aligned with each jurisdiction's legal requirements. Let's break down how it works. First, when you sign up for Oyster, you get access to an easy-to-use dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your global hires. You can easily add a new employee by simply selecting the country they'll be working from. Oyster will then show you the specific compliance requirements for that location, whether it's tax information, employee rights, or benefits. This eliminates the need for manual research and makes sure you stay up to date with the latest regulations. One of the standout features of Oyster is its automatic payroll management. Once you set up your employee's profile, Oyster takes care of running payroll, including tax calculations, benefits administration, and any other deductions. The platform adjusts payroll according to the local laws of the employee's country, so you never have to worry about miscalculations or non-compliance. It's all automated, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Now, let's talk about how Oyster helps with employee contracts and benefits. The platform generates legal contracts based on local laws, which you can easily customize. This ensures that every hire is covered legally and that all the terms are clear to both the employer and employee. On top of that, Oyster provides access to competitive benefits packages tailored to different regions. You can offer health insurance, retirement plans, and other local benefits based on the country your employee is located in, all managed through the same platform. Another key feature of Oyster is its reporting and compliance tracking. You'll have visibility into your employees' legal statuses, taxes, and benefits, ensuring you're always on top of what's required for compliance. This level of oversight is especially important when you have a distributed team working in multiple countries. Now, if you're wondering about cost, here's where the exclusive offer comes in. You can try out Oyster for free using the link below, and we're offering an extended free trial with extra bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. That's right. Access Oyster's full suite of features, including compliance management, payroll, benefits administration, and more, all with no upfront cost. To wrap it up, Oyster is an essential tool for any business that wants to hire and manage employees internationally without the headache of navigating complex compliance laws in different countries. It makes everything, from payroll to benefits, easier and more efficient. Don't forget to check the first link below for your exclusive and extended free trial and get started with Oyster today. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to use Oyster for international compliance.